Now we are going to start a new chapter, measurements. Okay, I hope all of you are familiar with this measurements. Okay, now let us see what we are going to study here. The metric system is a system of measuring length, weight and capacity in certain standard units. That means standard unit of length is meter, standard unit of weight is kilogram and standard unit of capacity is liter. Okay, now first we are going to study about this length. One by one we will study first length, then weight, after that capacity. So first let us study about this length. Here length, meter is the standard unit of length and meter is denoted with the letter M, small letter M. And if we want to measure the length of small distances and all, or for example if you want to measure the length of this book, then we will measure it in centimeter. We will measure it in centimeter. And for example distance and all, long distance, from distance between Alappuzha and Cherthala, like that distance, for that we use kilometer. So centimeter is used to measure small distances, kilometer is used to measure long distances. Okay, so a standard unit used to measure length is meter and we write it with small letter M. To measure smaller length we use centimeter denoted with cm, small letter C and M, and to measure larger distances we use kilometers. Okay, small letter K and small letter M. Okay, I hope all of you understood. And now we are going to study some relation between centimeter, millimeter, meter, centimeter and kilometer and meter. Now, do you know what is centimeter? If you take your scale, measuring scale, can you see the distance between 1 and 2 or between any two numbers, the distance between that any two numbers? For example, the consecutive numbers, that means 3 and 4 or 8 and 9, like that. The distance between that 8 and 9, between two numbers, that measure is called 1 centimeter. And between this 1 centimeter, you can see 10 small divisions and each small division is called 1 millimeter. So, first relation we are going to study is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You have to by heart it or you should understand it. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So first 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. You have to by heart it. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And you will get questions given in centimeter and asked to convert it into millimeter. So in order to convert centimeter into millimeter, we have to multiply with 10. In order to convert meter to centimeter, you have to multiply with 100. To convert kilometer to meter, you have to multiply with 1000. Okay, in the reverse order, if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, what we will do? The reverse process. To convert centimeter to millimeter, we multiply with 10. So now, from millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide with 10. Here, meter to centimeter is into 100. Now, centimeter to meter is divided by 100. Now, kilometer to meter is into 1000. Meter to kilometer is divided by 1000. I hope all of you understood. I have to study this by heart. Okay. Okay, see, you can see some questions here. First check this part. This part is to convert meter to centimeter. Question is given in meter and we have to convert it into centimeter. So meter centimeter relationship. We studied 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So let us write that first. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now see, we have to convert meter to centimeter, meter to centimeter. For that, what we should do, we studied that we should multiply with 100. What to multiply with 100? The 6 meter. 6 into 100 gives into centimeter. That is 6 meter can be written as 6 into 100, which is equal to 600 centimeter. Now see, 6 meter is converted into centimeter. That is 600 centimeter. In the same way, see the next question. 9 meter into centimeter. Here also meter to centimeter. That is, so first we have to write this. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here it is 9 meter. What to do? 9 meter can be written as 9 into 100, which is equal to 900 centimeter. So 9 meter is converted into centimeter. Now 10 meter to centimeter. Here also meter to centimeter. So what we should write first? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here how many meters? 10 meters. It can be written as 10 into 100, which is equal to 1000 centimeter. Now 10 meter is converted into centimeter. Okay, so 10 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. Okay, now we studied how to convert meter to centimeter. Now the reverse process, centimeter to meter. We studied just before that to convert meter to centimeter we should multiply with 100, and to convert centimeter to meter we should divide with 100. So here it is centimeter. We have to convert it into meter. So 300 centimeter can be written as, how can we convert? 300 divided by 100 meter. So first we have to divide 300 divided by 100. In 300, 100, how many times 100 into 3 is 300. So 300, we subtract 0. So what is the answer? 3. So 3 meter. Unit is important, not centimeter, meter. Now we converted centimeter into meter. So in order to convert meter to centimeter into 100 and centimeter to meter divided by 100. So a similar question. 109 centimeter. Now it is centimeter. Centimeter to meter we have to convert. So we have to divide with 100. So 109 centimeter is equal to 109 divided by 100. That much meter, which is equal to 109 divided by 100. So in 109, 100 how many times? Only one time. One time 100. And now when we subtract, we got remainder as 9. Okay. Okay. So we got remainder 9. So in such cases, here we got remainder 0. So no problem. It can also be written as 3 meter 0 centimeter. But see here remainder occurs. So how can we write 1 meter and how many centimeter is left? 9. 9 is left. 9 is the remainder here. So 9 is is in centimeter itself. So 1 meter and 9 centimeter. Next question. Here also see two questions are there. Both are given in centimeter and we are going to convert it into meter. For that, centimeter should be converted into meter. So we have to divide it with 100. So 6510 divided by 100. Here also same thing. 1010 divided by 100 we have to do. So let us do the division. 6510 divided by 100. Okay. Here it is a 3-digit number, so we can take 3 digits. Okay, in 650, 100 how many times? 6 times. 600 and remaining 51. Now this 0 can be written down. In 510, 100 how many times? 5 times. So 500. remaining 10. So here 10 is the remainder and quotient is 65. So this quotient 65 is in meter and the remainder is in centimeter. So 65 meter, 10 centimeter.